Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about trying the carnivore diet or you've already taken the plunge, you're probably wondering, how do I get the best possible results for my specific goals? Whether your aim is fat loss, resolving food sensitivities, or improving mental health, this video will walk you through the exact steps to tailor the carnivore diet for you. Let's get started. The carnivore diet is simple in concept. It's a way of eating that eliminates all plant foods and focuses solely on animal-based nutrition. Think beef, lamb, fish, eggs, butter, and organ meats. By cutting out sugar, seed oils, grains, legumes, and vegetables, it removes some of the most common triggers for inflammation, cravings, and gut issues. But to get optimal results, how you do carnivore matters, especially when you have a specific goal in mind. If your main goal is losing fat, here's what you need to focus on. Eat to satiety, not stuffed. One of the biggest benefits of carnivore is its natural appetite regulation. Trust your hunger signals. Avoid dairy if you stall. Cheese, heavy cream, and milk can be calorie-dense and insulinogenic.
By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this in the future.
Try an elimination period if your fat loss slows. Prioritize fatty cuts. At first, think ribeyes, ground beef 80-20, and eggs. You need fat for energy, especially during the keto adaptation phase. Stay consistent for 30-60 days. Fat loss isn't linear. You may lose water weight at first, then hit a plateau. Stick with it, and the fat loss will resume. Optional, try intermittent fasting. Many carnivores naturally gravitate to 1 or 2 meals a day. Just don't force it early on. Wait until your hunger is stable. If your goal is to figure out which foods trigger issues like bloating, acne, joint pain, or autoimmune flare-ups, go strict carnivore for 30 to 90 days. That means no dairy, no coffee, no spices, and preferably just beef, salt, and water. This is often called the lion diet, and it's the ultimate elimination protocol. Reintroduce foods one at a time. After the elimination period, slowly reintroduce one food at a time every 3 to 5 days. Watch for skin issues, digestive upset, joint pain, or mood changes. Track symptoms. Use a journal or app to log any reactions. This helps you identify triggers more accurately. Patience is key. Some sensitivities take time to fully resolve. The longer you give your body a break, the better the results. For many, the carnivore diet has a powerful impact on anxiety, depression, brain fog, and even bipolar symptoms. Here's how to optimize for mental health. Stay consistent with high-fat intake. Your brain is made of fat and cholesterol. Don't go too lean. Favor egg yolks, beef fat, salmon, and grass-fed butter. Cut out caffeine and alcohol. These can spike cortisol, disrupt sleep, and mess with mood, especially during the adaptation phase. Get quality sleep. Poor sleep can undo the benefits of the diet. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Manage electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential for brain function. Use Redmond salt or add bone broth. Consider organ meats. Liver, heart, and kidney provide critical micronutrients like B12, choline, and zinc, which support neurological function. No matter your goal, these tips will help maximize your success. Hydrate. Carnivore naturally reduces insulin, which means you retain less water and electrolytes. Drink to thirst and salt your food. Don't fear the transition symptoms. Headaches, fatigue, or irritability are normal at first. They pass. Stick with it. Most benefits take 30 to 90 days to fully emerge. Give your body time to heal. The carnivore diet is one of the most powerful tools for transformation, if you do it right for your specific goal. So whether you're here to lose fat, fix your gut, clear up your skin, or sharpen your mind, remember, this diet isn't one size fits all. It's a tool. Use it wisely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on carnivore, low-carb living, and optimal health. Let me know in the comments, what's your goal with carnivore? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.